Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, 4-wheel disc brakes, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, trip computer. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.